Hey everyone, it's Danny from Watches.com, and I'm going to show you a watch that was originally designed for the visually impaired but can be worn by anyone. It's a watch that features balls that tell you the time. This is the Bradley by Eone. So the Eone packaging is cool. It's got Braille right here, and then designed for you, designed for everyone. So with a 40mm titanium case, it's nice and lightweight. You can see the channel where the ball goes around. So the outside is your hours, and then the inside is the minutes. And then the markers are all tactile and they're raised. So obviously for the visual impaired, you can feel it. Check the time. So the magnetic balls, even if they do become dislodged, they just pull right back into place. See? Another good thing about the Eone Bradley is the size of the case. At 40mm, it's perfect for him or her. Let's put it on the wrist and let you see. Hope you enjoyed this video. Just remember you can find this watch and 1,000 other cool watches on Watches.com. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.